Hey everyone, well, it's April the 13th and we are getting ready to go over to Greenwood Furnace for a couple days to do a little bit of fishing. But I have to make a few stops on the way. I have to stop and get some bait, but then I have to stop and get a strainer from my pump here in the camper because I filled up with water. And when I come back in the camper, there was a leak. Here the pump filter broke and was laying there in the bottom of where the tank's at. So couldn't repair that, so I called one of our local RV dealers and they have one, so I'm going to run out there then too and get that. So that'll give me something to do while I'm supposed to be fishing. But anyway, hey, that's what happens whenever this was a last minute thing. So yeah, I put air in the tires, made sure all the tires were good a couple days ago. I didn't know we were going to do this till yesterday. So anyway, we're going to get on the move here. We're going to stop at Wally World. Then we'll stop to get gas, go to Lurch's RV Center, and then head on out to Greenwood Furnace State Park. It should be a good time once we get all this crap done. So we're on our way. Well, we made it here after a few stops. Got my part for the water pump. Gas, $3.99. That's about 40 cents cheaper than where I live, so I stopped and got it there. Now all we gotta do is find lot number 10. See, they got a camp post here already. Looks like they was in here cutting some trees down too. Yeah, there's all kinds of trees cut down. Holy man. I didn't bring no firewood. We're only staying for 2 days, so I figured we'll be fishing. Won't have time to sit out and do that kind of stuff. But we got the spot right here next to the bathroom, I think. Yep, lot number 10. There it is. This is where we want to go. Penny isn't here yet. I can't believe that. I got to back this in here all by myself. Figure out when to stop. I don't know if we can do it or not. We'll see. Well, there's the electric, so all we do is head for that. And there should be a sip. There's that thing. Yep, there we hit. I think we're in there pretty good. Get out here. Let's see what we gotta do to get set up. I thought she would be here, but evidently not. Oh, yeah, we did pretty good. Yes, we did. Look at all the trees down. I'll probably down there get firewood if I need it. I got an axe with me. We'll get this plugged in right away. I guess we can take that off of there. Is that a one or off? I don't know. Don't have my glasses. I think it's off. So we'll throw it on. Let's see if anything runs, I guess. What we'll do. Yep, we got the bathrooms right there. Nobody here. Oh my, look at the, boy, they did cut some trees down. Over there's the one they cut. Right there's one they cut. Oh my, oh my. I wonder what they did with all of it. Something's here is broke off. I don't know. Good idea though. Look at this mess. Boy, nothing stays. Nothing stays. Let's see if this refrigerator's running. Nope, not running. I must have to put the breaker the other way, I guess. Got myself a transfer pump. I got one of them at home for when I need it, and I bought this one I'm going to keep in here. So, I'm going to go out here and switch that power around again. Yep, she's running now. I'm going to set that outside anyway, so this table I got to set up out there. So we're going to move it outside. I don't know why. This big table, we got smaller tables than that. Why is this big thing in here? Holy man. Oh my. Jeez. Huh. I guess evidently he thought we needed a big table. Well, we'll put her out. Yeah, well, I guess I don't need to have you on here. I'm going to bring some stuff out. Got to get that refrigerator out here. So, I'll get all set up here. We'll get back at you. Oh, I hope everything goes right from here on. I'm tired of problems. All right, we'll get back to you. Mom finally made it.
You want to grab that pot?
Yes, I do.
I'm gonna grab that Pepsi. Oh yeah.
Mom got me some Pepsi. Sugar-free Pepsi. Oh, there's a butterfly. Butterfly. We ain't got no room to put nothing now. I only brought the, I didn't start up the big fridge.
I also got this if we wanted it for tomorrow night.
I already, yeah. I already
Uh-oh.
brought the small one. Oh boy, more stuff. Well, Mom said I don't know if the water's on, but I brought a 5-gallon bucket along. If I get that pump fixed in the camper, and I can bring water over and put it in. And Mom come over here to check to see if the water was on. She was pumping it. I said, no, you don't pump it, you just pull it up and it starts. She forgot. She hasn't worked it since last year, so she don't remember. So I'll come over and try it. Place up there, I guess, where you get water when you come in is all bagged up. You can't get water there. There it is. Yep, all kind of water. But I get that fixed, I can bucket some water over, put in the tank, and we'll have water to rinse our hands off and whatnot, blah blah blah. That don't look very level. I might have to put some blocks underneath there. Yeah, I think so. I never even checked that. The door says in here. Oh yeah. We're toting down in the back. We have to put some blocks on it. Penny, we're gonna have to put some wood blocks underneath the back tires. I never even thought about doing that. I never even thought about doing that. So we're gonna have to move this table out a little bit.
Okay, well, hang on till I get
All
this
right,
stuff off of
that's
it.
cool. That looks like we're going to eat more than fish. Huh?
Huh?
Looks like we're going to eat more than fish. Oh well. Blocks. Where's my blocks? I got my blocks here somewhere. There they are. How am I going to get these cold, Dave? Huh? How am I going to get these cold to drink them?
You might get a bag of ice if you have something to put ice in.
I didn't bring nothing. There you. Bungee, he had knocked the bungee off. I was keeping the door open so I wouldn't have to hot out. They're still cutting trees down. I guess I can put a couple of these in the freezer. Well, you got her stuffed, don't you?
Yep.
Holy cow. Huh? I need more than one. This. You got too many things. That has to go like that. That can't, you know, so that's what's doing that. That's not going to work here. I guess. But anyway, we got to move the table out a little bit so I can put blocks in there. It's out this way. We don't want to. Yeah, don't even have to unplug it. Just here. You want to get the? Oh, you're working. I'll get this side here. boy. This will bring it up far enough to make it kind of level, more level than what it is now. Anyway. Tedious job doing that. That better. We'll get this up there another 1.5 inches anyway. Better than it was. The table back. No. Heavy for some reason. All right, well, I guess I gotta get busy on the old pump, don't I? Oh dear. Yeah, from somewhere. I don't want to chase them all the time. All righty, so we're out of here for a little bit. We'll get back to you.
You won't be able to get back out.
Yeah, well, we had to go down and get wood. Brought this little, we borrowed this to bring the wood up. So Penny said, get in there, I'll take you for a ride. So I'm getting in, he's gonna wheelbarrow me down, back down.
It's gonna flip.
Don't get me willy. Once you get going, it'll be fine.
That's worse than doing the wood.
Yeah, it is. Where's my whip? How's her whip at?
You do that, I'll flip you.
All right, that's all downhill from here. Look, it's downhill from here.
Come on.
All right, hold on. Let me get out of here. You want to get in?
No.
I'll take you.
I won't be able to get back out.
Oh, you will. Do like I did.
No.
Come on. Get in there.
No. I'll walk.
Boy, she hottened up, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's about 80, I'll bet. It has to be 80. We didn't bring no wood along. We usually bring. Yeah, we usually bring wood along with us, but we didn't have any kiln dried. That's all you're allowed to really burn in the Pennsylvania State Park is kiln dried. There's where there was that fire. Get that one on the way back. But so you gotta burn kiln dried. Now I don't know if the stuff they got is kiln dried or not, but don't look like it. But we got some anyway to burn. Well, he was catching them. The biggest one was 13, so that's good. So that's gonna make things a little better. Makes it. He caught his limit both all day for 3 days. Caught his limit, so I think when we come over here, 8-9 inches is is good. You're allowed, you know, Pennsylvania, 7 inches is the smallest you can go. So see what we can do. I don't know how that, is that how that was?
I think so.
What kind of hot dogs are these, dear?
Burke's.
I told Penny, she asked me at home what kind of hot dogs that was. I said Burke's. She just got the hot dogs out. And they spell Burke's B-A-L-L-P-A-R-K, I guess, because these are ballpark, which I don't want to ask, but
Just need him to shut up.
there you go. See, that's how it works. See, why even ask me what I want? You don't get for me anyway. So, but that's all right. That's okay. We'll sit down here and we'll roast these ballparks. They'll taste like hot dogs anyway, huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's a beef hot dog.
I like Burke's though. Burke's are, I always like them. They're just the old beef. They're the good ones. I like. So, but I got to get that piece of wood there out of the road or something.
Huh?
That piece of wood there, it ain't burning. Stick it down in there so it burns or something, or get it out of the road, or yeah. Now I set my chair over here because the smoke was going over there.
Yep.
And guess what? It decided to change direction. Oh. Whoa, boy. No fishing tonight. It's hot. April, what is it today? 13th? It's got to be well over 80 degrees. It's warm. Penny brought her crocheting along. She's into that now. What are you making now? What are you making? What is it?
Dish rag.
Dish rag. We got what? 25 or 30 of them? Huh?
Not quite.
Not quite. I gotta move this chair. That smoke's killing me. Jeez. I'll move over here and it'll come back over this way, I guess. Who knows? That's supper for tonight. Hot dogs and macaroni salad and potato salad. Yep, that sounds good. Got the air conditioner on. It's just too warm. We're gonna make these, go in there and eat and watch a flick. I'm usually in bed at 9, so I got a couple hours to go and I'll be in the sack anyway. Well, we have retired to the inside. It's about 7 o'clock, 20 till. Sitting here watching a little bit of Harry and the Hendersons. Haven't seen that in a while. That's a good flick. Well, anyway, we got to get up early. We got to be down here at the lake at 6 o'clock, so we're going to have to get up around 5 o'clock. Have our coffee and have a little breakfast and head on down to the lake to catch some trout. So we'll probably see you in the morning. What's today's date there, dear? 14th. 14th of April. We're headed, it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. We're headed to the fishing spot. We're going to go catch some big trouts, huh?
That don't fit.
It'll stay. Foggy window.
Yeah.
Or put the heat on.
Defrost.
Defrost. It's a little chilly. What do you think? Well, 57. That's not bad though. It's supposed to get up to 80s today. Huh? What are you doing? You turned the heat off.
I don't need the heat on.
Oh, okay. I
I
don't.
had the defroster on.
Oh.
Looks like I'm going to have to turn it back on.
So Harry and Carol, you think they're here?
I don't know. I'm going to pull over there to unload.
Where?
Over across the road. Or before I park the car.
Oh. Yeah, you can pull in that little parking spot there.
Unload.
Well, maybe you can even stay there. I don't know.
No, it's only 15-minute parking.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Someone's there's some campers
There's
here.
a camper way back in there.
Yeah. There's more here than there was last night. Or yesterday, isn't there? Hell, I didn't think there was anybody here.
You need to put your seatbelt on.
I'm fine. I'll be all right, dear. You're not driving that fast. All these people are probably down there. Probably someone's got that spot.
Yep, then I don't know where we're going to go.
I don't either. We'll find somewhere to go, dear. It's no big deal. Okay. What happened? You cold?
Yeah, defroster again.
Oh. We gotta let the garbage off. Got it? Yeah, we had a bunch of stuff on our cupboards from that wasn't no good. I wanted to get rid of. Won't open. It won't open.
It's in park now.
Yeah, a lot of stuff that we had left over the old I didn't want to use, so we're getting rid of it. Go. Thank you. Since we left the camper, it went down 3 degrees. What's that all about? That heat kind of feels good.
You can see from here if somebody's there.
Huh?
Someone's there.
Is there? Oh well. Yeah, it looks like, well, maybe it's Harry and Carol.
Yep, it's Harry and Carol. Heck, they've been fishing.
It looks like we're going to be the only ones fishing here. I don't see anybody else.
I can't see if I'm gonna get it.
Well, they're here. Look.
Yeah, but that it doesn't. Yeah, but that's not. There's less distance back there. Trust me.
Okay, I trust you. Oh, she looks mean this morning. Wow. Wowza. We can just unload this right here and then take the car over. Well, while you're parking the car, I can carry it all over here, see?
Huh?
While you're carrying it over, you can park the car while I'm carrying stuff over.
All right.
You know, just put it on the table there and we'll get it. Yeah. Yeah. There'll be some left when you come back. What's that mean? Huh? I'll go as slow as I possibly can. Like you do, huh?
All this stuff too?
Huh? Yeah. I don't know what else. That's it, I think.
They brought a big cooler.
That's good. That means they brought lots of drinks and food. Huh? Is that it? Okay. Go park it out here. I'll be back. Hey, Harry and Carol made it. They're already fishing. Look at that river or pond. We're the only ones here. Harry, don't fall in.
I already got hung up in the wall.
Ah. Would he get hung up now?
No, I did.
Huh?
I got hung up.
Oh, gee. Look at the food. Oh my.
Nothing there for you.
Yeah, we had some of them at home and I thought about bringing them, but... Huh? We're a little bit chilly. I had shorts on I was going to wear. I changed.
I wasn't going to bring a cape. If I wouldn't have, I'd been sitting in the truck.
I changed. I said, I'm going to put pants on. What do you got to do, Harry? Get down in the water? There's Greenwood Furnace State Park. I can't believe there's nobody else here. Huh, that's all right with me. Maybe there's no fish in here. It's a little chilly along this water. That's okay. Whoa, that sun will be out. Did you get here at 6 o'clock or
Yeah.
did you here before that? We must have come over and got right into it, huh?
Yeah, pretty much.
This is the first time you went this year?
Yeah. First time.
First time for us too. I was glad to see it happen. I didn't think she was going to go. Huh?
I spilled my coffee. Take the chair. Spilled my coffee all down my.
Oh no. No, 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 no. They brought chairs. Eh? I didn't want a chair, so she don't have one. This here's new. This wasn't here before, was it?
I tell you, I don't remember.
I don't think so.
I remember the keep off spillway signs, but I don't remember it being right there.
Yeah, I don't remember that being there. Any bites? Huh? I see some dead fish in there. What's that all about?
The neighbor over there, he got his limit every day. He said, what, bite one?
That's what happens when you hook them and you throw them back in. They die. Huh?
Oh, that's the dead fish.
Yeah. Well, that ain't good. They look like a pretty nice sized fish too.
How long do they have to be?
7.
7.
Yep. 7 inches. All right, let's get hooked up. None of us have brought anything to shore. Well, we brought it to shore, we just didn't land it. It just all kind of fell off, so I don't know. We're still at it though. Hey, we're eating. That's good. About what all we're doing is eating. Show you the spillway. It's pretty. Greenwood furnace. Central Pennsylvania, that's where it's at if you're looking for a place to camp. Got lots of nice camping spots up here. There he is. There he comes. Eagle. No fish yet. Got an eagle over here. A pine tree. Flying around on our heads and stuff. But there he is. He just doesn't want to. There he comes. There he's flying. Well, we're still at it. Penny, her brother, Carol. There's been a couple people. Still got Mr. Yeah, Mr. Eagle here somewhere. One of them trees. There he is. He's over there, but he ain't catching no fish. Anyway, beautiful day. Couple people around. Uh-oh, we got fish on. First one. First one. She won her own $5. Huh? Ooh, look at that one. That's illegal, isn't it, dear? Oh, yeah. That's a good 10-inch. Probably there. I wouldn't be doing too close to the wall, or you'll be chasing them down over the bank.
He's small, he wasn't going to lose it.
How do you do that?
What?
How do you do that?
He swallowed it.
Yeah.
Here. We'll just use these and get it over with.
It's slipping. You broke it.
Oh, well.
Yeah, you did.
I can't help it, dear. Well, I can't help it.
He's got the hook in his mouth.
Finally got one. Woohoo! Looky there. Huh?
I don't know any more for you, buddy.
Hold on. All right. Yeah, he didn't. I'll tell you, he just got it in the mouth. Hold still. It wouldn't have been much more. He would have been loose. Come on.
Be careful.
Well, the fishing trip is over. What is this, Tuesday? Is this Tuesday? Wednesday. This happens when you get old, you forget the days. Anyway, fishing trip's over. Caught 2 trout, had them for supper last night. We're on our way back home to deal with stuff back here. Be careful. We're going to take the short way home, which is up over Bell Mountain. That's all mountain, so it's a slow traveling way to get up home, but that's a shorter way. Cuts about 10 miles off the trip. So I don't mind going that way if I don't have a load full of stuff. But we're gonna stop down here at the place to empty your tanks, and then we'll be on our way. So we'll see you in a little bit somewhere. Thought I'd show you a little bit of the country here. This is Amish country. It's a nice area over here. You can see that mountain up there ahead. That's the one I gotta go up over. That's Belleville Mountain. Pretty steep, little boy. My thermostat gets in the red whenever I go up over there by the time I reach the top, but it has never boiled over yet, so Hopefully it doesn't do it today. I'll just keep quiet and let you enjoy the ride if you can see it. I don't know how much you can see of it, but miles, almost straight up. Come to the top, and I always stop up here at the top. Once in a while you catch some hand gliders up here. They jump off of here and take off and sail all over the place. I usually stop up here so I can just let the thing cool down a little bit. Look down over both sides here, give you a nice view of that. Let old Betsy here cool down a little bit. There's what it looks like from up here. That's Belleville. That's where we came from, off that mountain over there. Nice view. You got people that come up here and get married up there, I guess. Over here to this side, this is the Lewistown side. There you go. That's McVeigh side, I guess, more or less. Yep. That's 522 down there. Mom's taking pictures. I'm trying to coordinate myself where I'm at up here to where that is at down there. I'm trying to coordinate myself from up here where that, because that's 522 there, that road down below there.
Yeah.
But where, I mean, if we were going down 522, now that ain't 522, that's the back road, isn't it? Yeah, that's Ferguson Valley Road.
over that?
522's over that. Over
Yeah.
that, yeah. So we live over about in that area somewhere. Yeah, before you go up over that mountain.
Wonder why people put their names on.
Well, so they can come up here and remember they were here. Huh? Put your name on there. Huh? Yeah, they put their name on there. So they know when they come back up here, they were here. Huh?
And what is that there?
Oh, it's just some kind of a thing that they,
Memorial.
yeah, they come up, people come up and get married there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
My purse is in my car.
Yeah, probably why they stopped there. They thought, well, she's over there, we'll get her.
What?
Nothing. See you at home. Yep, that's. All right, I'll keep on going here. She's cooled down a bit. All downhill from now, from here. And we're down at the bottom. Back out on 522? Only 2 west. 522 south. Well, good for my partner's up at today. Oh, smart yard. Alright, well, you've seen this road before, so let you go. Thanks for hanging in there. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.